Yeah, hi friend. Today I'm going to show you how to repair the file system. Okay, so these are a step I have prepared and I will perform this a step over the server. So I have already created one server, a virtual server, and now need to create that scenario. I have one directory, mount point slash oracle and I'm going to corrupt the oracle mount point and then we'll try to mount it. Okay, so first we have to create that scenario. So going to under oracle directory, and you can see there is no file. So first we need to create the some file. So there is one command, touch command, and creating some file. 120 file I have created. Now you can check. Sorry that something is wrong. uh, 20, sorry, touch test, 120 file need to be create, yes. And some directory I'm going to create, abc abp. So directory is also created. Now come out from oracle directory, then I check that is so to corrupt this file system. Okay, some there is one command which will corrupt that uh, file system. So see, I'm firing this command will create some more file. Okay, and unmount that file system, I mean unmount the oracle file system, and we'll try to mount it. We'll try to mount it. Oracle, yes, sorry, mount sdb1, where it will mount on oracle directory mount point. Yes, now scenario is created. We are getting error, a structure needs cleaning. Okay, so now we need to uh, perform the activity, some step to resolve this issue. So I have already prepared this step, 5 step you need to follow. Okay, so first unmount the oracle directory. So I'm trying to unmount, already I think unmounted, even already unmounted. Yes, not mounted, already it is unmounted. We have already unmounted it. Now try run with the fsx. It will not clear the error, but it will show the uh, error. Okay, so just I'm firing this command. Xfs is repair. Xfs underscore repair is the command to repair, I mean repair that file system of okay. So but I have taken that hyphen n option. It will only show that there are seven phases need to be passed, but I can see there are a lot of error I'm getting. So need to clear that error. For that, for that I need to fire that command xfs. Now I'm going to repair that file system. Which file system having issue? So this is the file system sdb1 as the file system, and now entered yes. Now successfully passed that 7 stages. You can see the 7 stages, 7 stages pass. So you can see that, and now we can try to mount that file system which was not mounting. Okay, so this and device name is sdb1, and where we need to mount it on the oracle mount point. So I can see it is successfully mounted, and now we can check the oracle mount point. Yes, now need to verify the data, if data is there or not. So we need to verify. Yes, I can see there is all the data available. Now we can hand over to application team. Okay, so first in the production server, first you need to take that approval to unmount that server, unmount that mount point. Okay, once they give that once you will get that approval from application team, then you can start that activity. Okay, so that's it from my end.